a tour of the world's most advanced robots. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to an exhilarating journey through the cutting-edge realm of robotics. In today's special program, we are embarking on a virtual tour of the world's most advanced robots, showcasing their remarkable capabilities and the groundbreaking innovations that have brought them to life. So, fasten your seatbelts as we dive into the future of technology. AI-powered healthcare. Our first stop takes us to the realm of healthcare, where robots are revolutionizing patient care. Meet the MedBot X, a medical marvel equipped with artificial intelligence and advanced sensors. It assists surgeons with pinpoint precision during complex procedures, minimizing human error and maximizing patient outcomes. Additionally, the Elder Care Companion, a compassionate robot, provides emotional support and monitors vital signs for the elderly, ensuring a higher quality of life. The future of manufacturing. Next, we venture into the bustling world of manufacturing. The FactoryBot 9000 is a collaborative robot that works seamlessly alongside human workers, enhancing efficiency and safety on the production line. With its intricate sensors and adaptive algorithms, it can handle delicate tasks, such as assembling intricate electronics, with unmatched precision. This synergy between man and machine is shaping the future of production. Exploring uncharted territories. Our expedition now leads us to the outer limits. Meet the Astroprobe, a robot designed for extraterrestrial exploration. Equipped with state-of-the-art imaging systems and mobility mechanisms, it roams distant planets, sending back invaluable data and captivating images that unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. A glimpse into the everyday. Our journey wouldn't be complete without a glimpse into the robots that seamlessly integrate into our daily lives. The HomeBot AI is your assistant, managing household tasks with grace and efficiency. From cleaning to cooking, it adapts to your preferences and learns your routines, making every day more convenient. Environmental stewards. As we wrap up our tour, we highlight robots dedicated to preserving our environment. The Eco Guardian is a versatile robot combating pollution in oceans and forests. It collects debris and monitors ecological health, providing critical data to conservationists. Meanwhile, the Solar Sweep technology utilizes solar-powered robots to clean solar panels, ensuring optimal energy efficiency. Conclusion. And there you have it, a captivating tour of the world's most advanced robots that are shaping our future in ways we could only dream of. From healthcare to manufacturing, exploration to everyday living, and environmental stewardship, these robots embody the ingenuity and innovation of human minds. As we bid farewell to this extraordinary journey, let us marvel at the boundless potential that these technological marvels hold for humanity's progress. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, the future is now.